I'm a cardiologist and I specialize in advanced heart failure and transplantation at Stanford. I think when you're in any profession, depending on the profession, people will tend to ask you for advice. And as a cardiologist, I get asked a lot about my friends' health, essentially, and what they can do to improve their health. And what I tell them is that the best thing they can do is exercise and diet consistently. But really what I'm doing is giving them the same advice that I'm giving my patients and that I'm giving you. I think the most important aspect that's overlooked by the public in terms of managing heart health is consistency. I think that people often think if I take care of myself 2 or 3 days a week, that'll be enough. And I think someone had said, you should only exercise on the days that you eat. And I think that's a pretty good aphorism to go by. So the best exercises in terms of the heart are aerobic exercises. For that reason, cycling I think is the exercise that I use the most. My worst habit in terms of taking care of my heart, I would have to say, is consistency, like it is for everyone else. The thing that I do consistently is watch my diet, but I'm not so consistent with my exercise. I think the problem is that when you get into a routine, it's easy to exercise, but once you're out of a routine, for example, I just came off service for 2 weeks and I wasn't able to exercise consistently. I rode my bike to the hospital today and I almost passed out on the way. So I think that's the thing I need to work on the most. I tell my patients that they should, walk at least 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. Even if I don't have the time to walk 30 minutes all at once, what I'll try to do is break it up into, 3 10-minute walks. That way you don't have to think of it as carving out such a large chunk of time. The best investment you can make in your health is to start now and to invest every day. Walk every day, watch your diet every day, because the earlier you start, the easier it'll be, and the more consistent you are, the easier it will be.